Alright, so as you guys can tell from the title, today I'm going to be making a hair mask with you guys on camera. I'm just going to be showing you guys everything that I like to put in it. This is one of my deep conditioners, and honestly, you guys, these kind of change from time to time because sometimes I like to add new stuff, try new stuff out, and then sometimes I like to take some stuff away. So as I make new deep conditioners, I will share that with you guys, but I'm just going to go ahead and run through really quickly everything that is going to be going into this hair mask because I like to curate my mask specifically for my low porosity hair. So the moringa is good for many nutrients such as vitamins A, C, and E. The yogurt supplies protein and is going to help with the overall shine and luster. The MSM provides sulfur, which strengthens the bonds in the hair. And our hair has sulfide bonds. So the more disulfide bonds you have, the curlier you have, and vice versa. So like my hair is very coily, and that means that I have more disulfide bonds. And of course, if you have less, then you'll be like type 3, where your hair is a lot looser. So that's just a little fun fact there if you didn't know that. The banana is going to be providing silica, which reduces breakage, and it also strengthens the strands. And you guys know that I love the silica component, which is why I like to use my horsetail spray that I talk about a lot on my channel. Our honey is our humectant, which binds moisture, and the mayo is going to help with hair pH and is providing many other benefits as well. So towards the end of this, you guys are going to see me actually go in and apply this, but I just went in with a blender and I didn't add any water or anything like that. And here I'm just showing you guys what's going to be left over from pretty much pulling that banana through that stocking. You don't want that stuff in your hair because it's very hard to get that out. So you want to make sure that you are going in straining. I just used a stocking, but you can use cheesecloth as well if you have that, or whatever you have on hand that's going to help you make sure that that stuff stays behind. So I'm also just infusing this with my herbal hair growth oil that I make. And I also included on the side a top view because y'all, I got this new camera and I am still learning how to work it. I'm still trying to get tripods that will hold it at an angle so that you guys can be able to see what I'm doing, not just from the front, but actually like a top view. So that's why I have the same thing showing on the side. If you guys were curious about that, I actually wanted you guys to be able to see the products going into the bowl. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much how I make it. It's very simple. I do have another mask that's pretty similar to this, but there's another component that gives it more of a slip. So I am going to be making that at some point, showing you guys, but I just wanted to show you guys really quickly this one because this is what I chose to do for this wash day. Also, if you want to see how I styled my hair, I used a new wash and go product, so I'm not showing that. I made that into a separate video because my goal is to be informative here, but I don't want to keep you guys here long, and a lot of my videos have been longer a lot recently, so I'm trying to work on cutting down the time on some of those and kind of giving you guys these videos in a quicker video. So all I do is just go in and I'm just pretty much working this through my hair. And also, again, I'm working on this camera, y'all, so I'm not really satisfied with this angle, but this is what we have, so we're just gonna go with it. But I'm just applying this. I'm making sure that my roots, tips, everything is covered. You want to make sure all of your strands are benefiting equally. So I'm just going in and putting it all the way through my hair. And one of the things that I feel like I should have done differently was added the moringa probably in the blender with the bananas, because I feel like sometimes it gives it more of like a it gives it like a weird feel whenever those powders aren't blended in properly. So it washed out nicely, but just as far as me being satisfied with how I feel like it applied, I didn't like that much, but my hair still got the same benefits from it. So I just go in and I make sure that each section is saturated because I need that honey component to work as the humectant. I want that moisture from the water to actually be able to be taken up into the hair. So that's why I like to make sure that my hair is wet before I apply the product to each section. And so all I'm just going to be doing is working that into each section until this is completely all over my hair. And then I'm just going to go into the shower and wash it out. So as I mentioned earlier, I am using my new Canon camera, and I'm still working on getting my angles right. Also, I was recording this with my camera with my iPhone right below me to make sure that I was capturing this for my TikTok videos as well as my YouTube Shorts videos. So I had a lot going on, and I didn't realize until the end that this wasn't like fully in frame. So I'm just going to be making sure I work on that as I film future videos for you guys with my Canon camera. But you can check out my YouTube short video, and I will try to actually put that in the description box so that you guys can get a full view of everything if you want to see that. But I'm just going to go ahead and leave this on for about 25 to 30 minutes with a plastic bag on, just to kind of hold in the heat. And then, like I said, we're just going to wash this off in the shower. So everything washed off nicely. I really like how soft and moisturized my hair felt as I washed this off. And I feel like the overall luster that my hair was left with, I was very satisfied with. And I feel like the mayo and the yogurt both help with that luster component. So if you guys feel like your hair is lackluster and you just feel like you're not able to get a lot of shine, you don't even have to use all of this. You could just mix like the banana, the mayo, and the yogurt, and you will be good to go if you don't want to use all of the products that I used, and you will be left with a lot of luster in your hair. So I just wanted to show you guys really quickly one of the hair masks that I like to make, and I hope that this was very informative. And again, I'm just sitting here looking at how nice and shiny my hair looks on camera, so I'm overall satisfied with it. But I hope you guys did like this video. If you did, please do give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And feel free to turn on the notification bell so that you'll know every time I post new content. And again, if you want to see how I styled my hair, make sure you check out the next video of me trying another or a new product for my wash and go combo. So that's going to be it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.